Good evening. Today is September 8, 2020, Tuesday. I am Sudarshan Sukhani. We are going to talk about intraday trading for the Nifty in this webinar, which is what we do every working day. The Nifty today had a plan, or rather we had a plan to trade the Nifty by suggesting that the markets have given us the sense of a short-term uptrend, and we will buy today taking the 15-minute breakout system, buy above the high of the first 15 minutes and then see where we go. Luckily, the market obliged us today in the morning. The market opened a little weak and then after 15 minutes, it made a low of about 11,332 and a high of 11,370. So we were buyers above 11,370. The market moved in this range for about 15-20 minutes and without breaking the low, it then crossed the high of 11,370, and when it crossed the high, our buying idea was triggered, our buy trade was activated, because that is what our plan was. The advantage of having a plan is that if the market goes according to your plan, you can execute without thinking. You know what I have to do. I already have a plan. And on days when the market does not follow your plan, you keep quiet. Or rather, when I say you, all the time I mean me, I. So I keep quiet. The market then crossed 11,370, 11,400. It went all the way to 11,447. That means the Nifty futures had a 77-point rally from our entry point. That's good enough. For a short-term trade, for an intraday trade, 77 points is a lot. You could actually have exited wherever you wanted. After 20 points of profits, after 40 points of profits, when the market started slowly coming down, then you could have said that, okay, I'm going to exit now. Wherever you exited this trade, it should have ended with a profit because there was 77 points in our favor and then the subsequent decline was slow in the beginning. There were a lot of opportunities to have a profitable exit. That's the first part of the trade, or rather the trade itself was only this, that's the first part of the day. Eventually, after 1 p.m. the market started sliding and just in the last 1 hour it slid a lot, eventually breaking 11,300 on the downside. Now I have explained that 11,300 is strong support. It has been holding for many days now. If it again breaks 11,300, then I would feel that the market is willing to go lower because it has tried and held that level, it's done it repeatedly. Eventually some level is going to break, and given the environment, given the context, the chances are that it is the low that will eventually break. US futures are down, Europe is down, our own markets are failing to cross 11,450, trying repeatedly and failing. Again, if we were willing to go higher, we should have made a higher low. Again, the market has come down. So a short position is justified tomorrow. Now, tomorrow morning markets may open with a very different view. If that happens, I will not trade. There's no rush. We've had 2 good days and tomorrow can easily be a pause. If the Nifty makes a 15-minute range which is tradable, and if it starts breaking down on the lows, then I will take a short trade. But if there's a very big gap down, then there's a question mark on the short trade also, which means I'm looking to go short tomorrow, but on a very large gap down, if it happens, I will avoid trading throughout the day. That's the view I have. Luckily, we don't have to trade every day. We trade on days when I trade on days when I think there is some market pattern that I can understand, and on many days I don't understand. The object of these videos is to share how I plan and how I trade. It's not to give you calls. I do not give you trading calls, and I cannot. You are probably far smarter than I am and a much better trader. The object is also not to give you a copy, ask you to copy something. No one can copy a trader. You all have to develop your own individual methods. The idea is only to share what I am doing. I may be doing something wrong. That's quite possible. I may be doing something right. Whatever I am doing, I honestly try to share it with you. That's all. Sharing is good. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself. Understand that the markets may be changing character. Tomorrow morning we'll meet again. Jai Hind.